Today, I want to share with you the idea that atoms, molecules, force fields, and gravity are not fundamental reality, and even a unified field theory of these forces, strong and weak interactions, and gravity and electromagnetism, will actually not give us knowledge of what is fundamental reality. So here's my argument. What I'm saying is that our understanding of gravity, force fields, molecules, and particles is not a direct representation of fundamental reality, but rather a model created by our own consciousness. 5 minute के बाद मैं नीचे आऊंगा 5 मिनट के बाद by our own consciousness. Sorry for the interruption. I'm at an Ayurvedic ashram and they are telling me it's time for breakfast. But I want to finish this video. So, my proposal is that these models of reality are based on our modes of knowing and experiences within consciousness. I propose that all experiences are ultimately experienced in non-local consciousness and then interpreted by the human mind, which is a modified form of that non-local consciousness. Before we can define concepts like gravity or particles, there needs to be a mode of knowing that encompasses several aspects such as memory, previous models, introspection, observation, imagination, rational thinking, logic, and more are concepts that we have inherited uh, from our ancestors and scientists and philosophers. These models of knowing allow us to refine our understanding through instruments like the Large Hadron Collider and expand our knowledge of the universe. Fundamental reality, then, according to my argument, is consciousness knowing itself as the theater of space time and causality, and also the concepts of energy, information, and matter. This understanding enables us to continually evolve our modes of knowing and expand our interpretation of the universe. So, in summary, I suggest that our understanding of the physical world and its models of reality is shaped by consciousness, which incorporates various modes of knowing. This understanding allows us to continually expand our knowledge and experience of the universe. So, I want to just expand this a little bit more. Consciousness shapes our understanding of gravity, force fields, molecules, and particles by providing the framework through which we perceive and interpret these concepts. According to my argument, these concepts are not inherent in fundamental reality, but rather models created by our consciousness based on our modes of knowing and experience. Our consciousness allows us to experience and interpret the world around us. It incorporates various modes of knowing, such as memory, observation, imagination, rational thinking, logic. These modes of knowing inform our understanding of what we call gravity, force fields, molecules, and particles. For example, our observation using refined instruments like the Large Hadron Collider contribute to our understanding of particles and their behavior. Our logical and rational deductions help us develop theories and models of force fields and gravity. Additionally, our imagination allows us to conceive and explore new possibilities. In summary, consciousness shapes our understanding of gravity, force fields, molecules, and particles by providing the means to perceive, interpret, and create models based on our modes of knowing and experience. And I should say, human modes of knowing and experience. It is through these processes that we develop our understanding of the so-called physical world. So if this resonates with you, then we can explore multiverses, infinite verses, lokas, reincarnation, and all the concepts that current science rejects. Thank you. I'm sorry for all the interruptions, but that's okay. This is a very sacred place, and I welcome the interruptions. I'm in Kerala at the Akami Ayurveda Hospital and Research Center.